What is up, Insomniacs? Midnight Sun 509 here, back with another riveting Tacoma video. This one is a little bit of a change of pace, so it's not an actual upgrade video. It's actually going to be a general maintenance video. So I'm going to start an entirely new series on my channel that's specifically Tacoma maintenance as I get it completed. All of them are going to be various lengths. Obviously, you know, some of the items are a little bit longer than others. Today's just happens to be really short. So we're going to be swapping out the cabin air filter. Got myself a brand new genuine Toyota parts air filter. So there's the part number and all that sort of stuff if you guys so care to find it online. And this one, actually, we have to access the glove box, which is why I'm in the passenger seat. Okay, so now that we got all the junk out of here, we should be able to pop this guy. Oh, never mind, not all the junk. Hand sandy. Out. There we go. So we got that guy out there, and then this, we're just gonna, there's a little slide on the top here, or a little like thing that you can push up on. I'm gonna push up on it, and it just kind of pops out. It's got instructions on it. It says slide up and out, or slide up and remove. And then this right here is how we access the cabin air filter. So there's two tabs, one on either side, and they just kind of pop off. Give you a little close up there. So there's what the tab looks like, and there's our air filter. So this we just kind of pull on out. I got all sorts of leaves and disgusting shit in there, and then we'll just kind of go in here and grab any leftover debris, any little leaves and that kind of stuff that just kind of made it through. But there shouldn't be a heck of a lot. If you want to dust it out or clean it out, you can, but it's not super necessary. It's going to get dusty again. So. And then here is our brand new air filter. We're going to put it in the same way that it came out, with the ridges going parallel with the length of the car. And that we just kind of slide back in. And then we take this piece, the cover for the air filter, and then we just kind of line it up in there. And whoop, pop, and pop. And then we reverse the process with this piece. Put it in and slide it down. And then if you have this little shelf, you can just kind of snap it back into place. And there it is. Air filter has been replaced. Easy. Took me literally like a minute and a half to do. And that's all it is. So, all right. Well, there you have it, my dudes. That is how to replace the cabin air filter in your 2017 Tacoma. It's easy. It's very easy. But I did have to kind of go into the manual just to see. I knew you can access it inside of the glove box, but I wasn't really sure how to get that first piece off because it was a little bit tight. All it is a snap. Very easy. So hope you guys have enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Follow me, because there's bugs everywhere and I'm living out in them for you. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, hit me or shoot me a follow, because I have new videos coming out every week, not necessarily just with the Tacoma. And like I said, I'm starting a whole series on Tacoma maintenance as I get them knocked out. So if anybody has questions on how to do certain items, hopefully they'll be up soon for you guys to reference. So yeah, with that, Midnight Sun out.